Hello friends, today we take a look at the HP GK400F mechanical keyboard which I got online for a cheap price. Like many others, I work on the computer till late at night, but the problem is when I turn off the lights, I can't see the keys on my keyboard anymore. Normally, the lights from the screen should be enough to let me see the keys, but my keyboard is old and the letters are a bit faded. Worse, my eyes are not as good as it was. I was thinking I should get a mechanical keyboard. The backlit feature of RGB keyboards is probably what I need. However, mechanical keyboards are much more expensive than the regular keyboards I have. Then I saw this keyboard in a local store, a regular keyboard, membrane type, but it is backlit. So I bought it for 700 and tried it at home. After a while, I realized maybe this wasn't a good buy. The lighting of the keys aren't even. Some are well lighted, some are not. The lights are fixed and you cannot configure them. I was trying to save money, but I think I should have opted for a mechanical keyboard beforehand. Here at the bottom is a true mechanical keyboard. So now let's take a look at the HP GK400F mechanical keyboard. Oops, I've actually opened this just minutes ago. Keyboard looks nice. Black keys over silver plate. No lines or any markings except for the logo on the upper right. Simple but stylish. It says on the box this weighs 688 grams. But here we see it is almost 779 grams. Maybe because we've included the cable during the weigh-in. Let's look at the underside of the keyboard. Looks nice. Teflon, plastic, Teflon, plastic. Let's try the legs. Snaps back easily. Cable is not detachable. On some mechanical keyboards, the more expensive ones, the cable can be detached if you need to replace it, for example. The keyboard comes with a small tool which you can use to remove the keycaps. Pull gently. Blue switches. To put the keycap back, no need to use the tool, just put back on top and press. Small marking there that says KRGD. They say these are Cherry MX clones. There, KRGD. Inside the box are the product notice, warranty card, support card, and quick start guide. We want the quick start guide. Here's the overview, the introduction, and package contents. Backlight shortcuts, that's what we want, 4.3. So we can change the light modes. Lastly, at the back, anti-ghosting information. Startup. Let's see this in the dark. So you see here, even if the lights are off, the keys of the keyboard are easy to see. Different keyboards use different switches, which produces different click sounds. You can change the light modes of the keyboard depending on your preferences. Use the FN key together with either the insert, delete, home, and page up or page down buttons. Don't worry, this information is described in the user manual. On the upper right is the HP logo, and the 3 LED lights near the logo are for the caps lock, scroll lock, and num lock. All in all, the GK400F mechanical keyboard is a nice looking keyboard. Design is simple, not flashy, which is how I prefer it. Well, yes, the lights are flashy, but I expect that on many RGB mechanical keyboards. I got this for only 1,000 pesos, more or less. Perfectly fits my needs. I have no complaints. So, that's about it. I hope this simple review has helped you decide if you want to have your own mechanical keyboard. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope we can do this again.